Hello, welcome to VSF Technology. I am Meena Saini. Today topic insertion sort. Now see insertion sort. Insertion sort is a sorting algorithm that places an unsorted element at its suitable place in each iteration. Insertion sort works similarly as we sort cards in our hand in a card game. We assume that the first card is already sorted, then we select an unsorted card. If the unsorted card is greater than the card in hand, it is placed on the right, otherwise to the left. In the same way, other unsorted cards are taken and put in their right place. Insertion sort algorithm. To sort an array of size n in ascending order, iterate from array 1 to array n over the array. Compare the current element key to its predecessor. If the key element is smaller than its predecessor, compare it to the elements before. Move the greater element one position up to make space for the swapped element. Consider an example array in which element 12, 11, 13, 5 and 6. First pass. Initially, the first two elements of the array are compared in insertion sort. Here 12 is greater than 11, hence they are not in the ascending order, and 12 is not at its correct position. Thus swap 11 and 12. So for now 11 is stored in a sorted subarray. Next, second pass. Now move to the next two elements and compare them. Here 13 is greater than 12, thus both elements seem to be in ascending order, hence no swapping will occur. 12 also stored in a sorted subarray along with 11. Next, third pass. Now two elements are present in the sorted subarray which are 11 and 12. Moving forward to the next two elements which are 13 and 5. Both 5 and 13 are not present at their correct place, so swap them. After swapping elements 12 and 5 are not sorted, thus swap again. Here again 11 and 5 are not sorted, hence swap again. Here it is at its correct position. Fourth pass. Now the elements which are present in the sorted subarray are 5, 11 and 12. Moving to the next two elements 13 and 6. Clearly they are not sorted, thus perform swap between both. Now 6 is smaller than 12, hence swap again. Here also swapping makes 11 and 6 unsorted, hence swap again. Finally the array is completely sorted. Now see complexity. Now we will be comparison this array element 11 of 12 with one comparison and a movement. In the same way, element 13 of element 12 or 11 with two comparison but no movement because the element 13 is correct position. Now 5 of element 13, 12 or 11 with 3 comparison and 3 movement. Then here element 6 of element 13, 12, 11 or 5 with comparison 4 and movement 3. It's like this going to until n plus 1. Then here time of complexity is equal to n plus 1 is equal to n square by 2 plus n by 2. Time of complexity is equal to O n square.